Welcome to the University Records Management training on navigating Infolinx. Infolinx is George Mason University's system for managing and tracking the life cycle of official paper and electronic records. After completing this training, you will be able to navigate to key pages on the Infolinx website and search for records on Infolinx. First, go to the Infolinx homepage at infolinx.gmu.edu. That's infolinx.gmu.edu. Log in using your George Mason credentials. The Infolinx homepage has several rows of menu items. The top row has links to Home, Preferences, Reports, Requests, Admin, Dashboard, Help, and Print. When Infolinx opens, you will be on the home page. To navigate back to this page at any point, select Home from this top row of menu buttons. While on the home page, you can see two more rows of menu items. The first row of items all relates to different types of records and information available in Infolinx. This menu row has options for boxes, files, digital content, records schedules, disposition notices, legal holds, and organizations. Below this menu bar is a series of search fields. Selecting one of these tabs will load search fields which you can use to search for the selected records or information. By default, Infolinx's search applies to boxes, with searchable fields to look up boxes by their metadata, like box description, box content, the start and end date of the box's records, and more. To search for something other than a box, such as digital content, select the corresponding tab on the menu bar above the search fields on Infolinx's homepage. Below the fillable search fields, Infolinx has a green search button on the left of the page to submit the search, and an orange clear button directly after the search button to reset the search fields to blank. There is also an orange switch button to the right, which changes the search mode from multiple specific search fields to one search bar. Under the search fields, Infolinx's homepage has another row of buttons that allows you to complete records management tasks. This row has buttons to create, update, request pickup, request delivery, transfer, print labels, add to cart, search, view, or change records. Most of your records management work will use the create, request pickup, and print labels functions. To create a box, make sure that the Boxes tab is selected in the home page's second row of menu buttons, and then select the Create button from the left of the bottom row of menu buttons below the search field. This takes you to a page in which you will enter metadata for a packed box of records to record it in the Infolinx system. The next tutorial will go into more detail on how to enter this metadata correctly. Once all the records information has been entered, select Save and Close to exit, Save and View to review the information, or Save and New to create a new box. These buttons are on the top right. After saving a box, you can navigate back to the Infolinx homepage and search for the box you just created using the search fields. One easy way to find the box is by entering your department in the search field of that name, since you will know your department even if you have forgotten the box's other metadata. To print labels for a box, search for it and select the checkbox on the left of the row in which it appears in the search results. If you have multiple boxes that need labels, you can select all the relevant boxes during this search stage. Once the boxes that need labels are selected, click the Print Labels tab. Select GMU Custom Half-Sheet from the drop-down menu for label design. Click the orange Print button in the bottom right to open the box's printable label. The label will appear in a pop-up window. If it does not appear, check to see if your browser has pop-ups enabled for the Infolinx website. Lastly, print and tape the label to the front of the corresponding box. Once all boxes have been packed, entered into Infolinx, and labeled, you can also search for and select boxes you would like to be picked up by University Records Management. After you have selected the boxes which you would like University Records Management to pick up, select Request Pickup from the lower row of menu buttons. Do not enter any information in the fields on this page. Records Management will enter all necessary information later. Review your boxes on this screen, and then select Request Pickup again in the top right corner. After Records Management has reviewed the box, they will email you to coordinate pickup. Thank you for completing this training. For more help, visit the Records Management website at recordsmanagement.gmu.edu or email recordsmanagement@recmgt@gmu.edu.